This hydraulic flaring tool from Orion Motor Tech handles common brake, fuel, and transmission line materials with reliable consistency, making it a strong choice for both home garages and small shops. The kit includes a broad range of dies for 45-degree inverted, ISO bubble, push connect, fuel line, and transmission cooling flares, so one setup can cover many different vehicle systems. Its hydraulic mechanism delivers even pressure and smooth operation, which helps produce accurate flares with less effort than traditional screw-type tools. The included tubing cutter and deburring tool work together to give clean, square tube ends, which noticeably improves sealing and reduces the chance of leaks. A robust yoke made from hardened alloy steel gives the tool the strength to cope with frequent use on tough jobs without flexing or wearing quickly. Everything stores in a compact molded case with clear size markings, keeping the pieces organized and easy to grab for mobile repairs or tight workspaces.